welcome back to my channel and happy Diwali because it's almost Diwali and we all love to eat sweets. So today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate ladoos. So just like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So for this we will need desiccated coconut for decoration, gems, melted chocolate, chocolate cake, condensed milk, bowl and a spatula. Now we will take chocolate cake and we will crush it nicely. Now add melted chocolate, add 2 tablespoons. Now we will add condensed milk 1 tablespoon. Now mix this mixture nicely and make a dough out of it. Now my dough is ready. Now refrigerate it for 15 or 20 minutes. Now I have refrigerated it for 15 minutes. Now I will take one gem and keep it in the center and make a ball. You can also use walnuts, dry fruits. And here my ball is ready. Now my chocolate ladoos are ready. Now we will dip them into the melted chocolate and keep them in the another plate. Here I am using cupcake molds to keep my chocolate ladoos. And do the same with all the ladoos. Now for decorating I am using coconut, means desiccated coconut, or you can use colorful sprinkles. So now just sprinkle it all over with the ladoo. And our chocolate balls are ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, so like it, share and subscribe to my channel. And I just want to eat them, so yeah. Happy Diwali and bye!